we can be brief because I know I want a quick question for Robert. Ross, if federal cannabis regulation doesn't pass, how can banks provide services to the cannabis industry?
That's a very good question. There is a framework for banks providing services and just essentially filing suspicious activity reports for every single transaction because of the illegality under federal law. There's also state chartered banks and credit unions can provide certain services where it's allowed in the state regulation, but that creates a problem because they're still part of the FDIC system and the Federal Reserve System. So yeah, I mean there are ways around it. It's just somewhat difficult and problematic to navigate. So we need the federal legislation to be able to open up banking for anyone.
Thank you, Ross. Robert, a separate question for you. Are broker-dealers required to conduct annual testing of AML compliance programs?
Yes, like I indicated, they are pursuant to the rules and regulation, and it's something that the SEC and FINRA are both actively monitoring, that broker-dealers are not only conducting the required periodic testing, but in the adequacy of those tests, that they're performing them in a adequate manner with knowledgeable individuals.